Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Before you do anything else, go ahead and like and subscribe. So today it's another drawing tutorial and I'm a huge fan of Henri Matisse. Now Henri Matisse is a French artist. Let me show you some photographs of him. He was born on December 31st, 1869 and he died on November 3rd, 1954. Like I said, he was a French artist and he was part of the Fauvist or Fauvism movement, which this movement emphasized on color versus realism. So it was bright colors, very visible brush strokes, and once he got older and his health started to deteriorate, he started cutting painted paper out with scissors, and he would create compositions with these shapes that he would cut out. And then Icarus, which is the one we're going to do today, he did this between either 1943 and 1944. Icarus is part of Greek mythology. Icarus was a young man who was obsessed with flying. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to show you how to draw Icarus. Since this is cutouts, arranged over another paper, you gotta know how to draw it first before you can cut it out and then make your composition, but it's very easy. I'm going to do it with the Sharpie, but you get a pencil. The first thing that I'm going to do is like right in the center of the paper, or a little bit above the center, is a circle for his heart, I believe. And then right above it, his arm comes out. Then you're going to go up to create the head. And it doesn't have to be perfect because it's very childlike in nature. And then this arm is extended up, comes to a point, and it comes back around. This one we're going to have to drop down to make it longer. Then bring it back up to the shoulder, like this. Then you keep bringing this down to about where the hips are. Bring this one down. Same length. And like I said, he has hips. So you're going to go up a little bit and down to make his leg. Bring it all the way up to about right there. And then same thing here, go down to make his leg, bring it back around. And there you got that human figure, which is Icarus up in the sky flying. His wings are supposed to be made out of wax, according to Greek mythology, but you don't see the wings. You only know he's in the sky because of the stars that are in this composition. And they're not ordinary stars. It's kind of just like making lines, triangular lines. So there's really no right or wrong way to make these stars. Just make little spikes however you want to make them. There's one here that you only see half of it. And then one more down here. Any shape is permissible in art, make it your own. He only incorporated 5 stars, but you can do more than that. If I were to have done this myself with colored paper, it would look very much like this right here. Well, anyway, that is it for today's drawing tutorial. It's very short, very simple, very fast and easy. Like I said, you can paint this, you can cut it out, you can do pastels, charcoal, anything. But this composition was done with cutted papers, painted cutted papers, back in 1944 or 43. The date is not known exactly, but anyway, that's it for today. Watch all the other content in my channel. Until next time, adios y bye.